Hello guys, if anyone have this kind of injection, this we apply for IVF. Usually the location in the tummy area. So here I teach you how to use if you have no experience. As you see, here's the injection, here's the head inside the injection. If you see here the zero means how many number we need. This is usually from the hospital or from the doctor. He will tell you how many. For example, if I open this one for my case, it's difficult for one hand. If you see here, I have around 600. Okay, so the doctor tell me to do 300 only. Means this injection will stay with me for 2 times. Okay, so how to do, I go to here and I change. Let me see if I can do in one hand. Okay, if you see to hand, here's 0, then I change from 0 to 300. I just turn the head. If you see the head changing and change the number. This is 50, 100, 150, 300. This is 300 for my requirement. They see 300 from me. Okay, the head is without head. How to change the head? They will give you extra like this. Okay, you open it. When you open it, you see like this. They have needles for 2 sides. Needles to go inside, needles from the inside. So let me put inside. Let me just make sure. Okay, in the middle. You put inside, then you turn. Okay, until it's stuck. If you hear it's very hard, then you open the bottle. If you see here, now this is empty. Make sure it is very strong. It's very strong, and the needles also inside. You open it. Now you have needles. Usually when you open this, you have 2 needles. Usually the hospital will give you more, just if extra. If you mistake, you have. So now for like this. Then the last things, you inject the person. Then you squeeze this until become 0, from 300 to 0. Then I will leave 300 more. I will do it now and see the result. I finish inject the person. If you see here, I inject until become 0. There it's become 300 left. If you see from the black, I can see 300. I don't know if it's clear or not. It was 600, now become 300 because I use 300. If I use 150, it will become 150. So this is depends. For me, my case, the hospital tell me to do 300. Okay, after you finish the head, you have to remove it. You can remove by this, or you can remove it by this. By hand you can. It's more easy. Open like that. Okay. So for hygiene, you have to close it back, and you have to keep this in the fridge, not freezer, fridge. This is what requirement. Okay, then I put back. I will use as tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.